Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarencenyc. Reacts to someone broke into the AMP house. Let's get into it.
Into the AMP house.
Be crazy real quick. I'm like, yo, bro, I gotta give him something juicy, bro. So look, as of right now, the AMP house has 24/7 security, bro. You know what I'm saying? The AMP house got 24/7 security now. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, somebody broke into the crib, bro. Somebody broke into the crib.
Somebody breaking into the crib with 24-hour security.
They ain't still. You know what I'm saying? But let me put you on. My hand hurts. My hand still hurts. Put two and two together. My hand still hurts.
Okay.
My hand still hurts. Listen.
Knocked them out in GTA.
I'm sleeping in my room.
All right, New York.
Knocked out. You know, I'm a heavy sleeper. So for me to wake up, it gotta be. I'm a heavy. Everybody know I'm a heavy sleeper. It gotta be. I'm knocked out. I hear Kyle going off. I don't know what's going on though. I'm sleeping. I think
he said who?
Going off. I don't know what. It gotta be. I'm a heavy. Everybody know I'm a heavy sleeper. It gotta be. I'm knocked out. I hear Kyle going off. I don't know what's going on though. I'm sleeping. I think he's streaming. I'm thinking he's streaming. It's dumb loud, but I'm not about to ever tell him, yo, shut up, bro. I'm trying to sleep. Come on, bro. That be L-Mans. So I'm sleeping. I wake up and I'm like, yo, it don't even sound like he's streaming. It sound like he's screaming at somebody. It sound different. It don't sound the same. I walk downstairs. I see Kyle just going off. I'm like, what's going on? But you know, I'm thinking he about to argue with one of the bros. So maybe it might be Davis, could have been Chris, could have been...
what?
I'm saying could have been Duke. I don't know, bro. So when I get downstairs, I'm looking for the bros. But the bros is not there, bro. I see this one random guy. I can't put two and two together. I just can't. I just woke up, man. You know what I'm saying? Duke wasn't there. Agent wasn't there. Davis wasn't there. It was just me and KC, bro. You know what I'm saying? Chris wasn't there either. It's early, bro. It's 8:30 in the morning. Yo, I see Kai just, I guess like the guy went downstairs or something. He walked right through the crib, bro. Went downstairs. It was up. I ain't had to hear too much.
So he went right, nigga went right to Kai's crib. That's crazy how no one noticed. He just going through the...
Yo, I don't know what the... Macked him. Boom. Start hitting him. You feel me? Catching him. I'm like, I ain't gonna lie.
5-star 10K with the 10 months.
It's a heavy, bro. Do. I'm like, I bet. Fat Chris. Shout out to Fat Chris, a.k.a. cameraman Chris. We gotta give him flowers.
My nigga Chris.
Same shit. Boom. Hitting that nigga. The nigga fell, right? The nigga fell.
Okay, my nigga Chris is getting busy. I'm not gonna lie. Chris is getting busy. That's tough.
The nigga fell. Boom. Like, he drops, like, behind me. I'm gonna try to recreate it.
Cameraman Chris got punch game.
Boom, right? He gets, like, while he getting up, like, he about to come up, I hit him again. Boom.
Bro, I would smoke that nigga. I would smoke that nigga,
damn, this nigga, he gotta be off something. Like, to catch a punch from two fat niggas, you gotta be on some shit, bro. He gets up. When he gets up and shit, he picks up his pants. I bet. I'm like, this little nigga got hurt. You know what I'm saying? I don't know who this nigga is, bro. He punches Chris in the face. Boom! I said, nah, it's lit. Right there in that moment, that's when the Montgomery special was going on.
Montgomery special. It's the chair.
Grab a chair and just go crazy, nigga. That's the first shit I do. I'm like, I bet.
Yo, the Montgomery special guy.
Fuck, about to do this and that. Let me go get the chick. I start hitting. Bam. Why you here? Bam. Why you here? Bam. What the fuck are you doing? Bam. This happened like 3 weeks ago.
Yo, Cat, you leaving? Bye, y'all. I gotta see a man about a horse. Be back in 20 minutes.
Everything, bro.
Oh, you about to go see Adam?
Yo, Phantom, like, I brought you food, this and that. Yo, Casey, I brought you juice. That nigga punching up. He fighting back, though. I ain't gonna lie. I hit him. He's like, yo, let's play ball. I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
Nigga said, let's play ball. Nah, the nigga was off probably. He's probably also.
That's punching niggas back, but saying like, let's go play ball though. Let's go play ball. Nigga, let's play cards. Let's play cards. I'm like, this nigga is crazy, bro. Word of my mother.
Yo.
I got proof for the little dick suckers in the chat. Don't worry about it. I got proof. After I hit him a couple times and shit, like he's done getting beat up though. I ain't gonna lie. He got hard though. He dead ass punched Chris dumb hard in his face. Not A&P Chris, Fat Chris. He started walking out the crib. I think he about to blow some shit. We in Georgia. You know Georgia. Yeah. It's not like the UK or New York.
I would have been grabbed my shot.
Guns are like legal as shit. So he got this book bag on him. He's walking out the...
Time out. Something is not adding up. Hold on. If Phantom and Chris, right? All right, so first of all, let me break it down. All right, Phantom wakes up out of his sleep because Kai is screaming. Phantom and Chris is beating this nigga up, right? What the fuck was Kai doing? Like, where is Kai? Like, what? Like, why? What? Like, what?
Kai went back to sleep. Kai had other stuff to do. Kai probably filming about it, honestly.
What is Kai doing in this moment? Does he say it?
Not yet.
He said Kai got a few hits in. Let me see,
crib.
I'm gonna finish it because he didn't say nothing about Kai. What the fuck? Where's Kai at?
Like, he about to blow that shit.
Let me go back real quick.
So he got this book bag on him. He's walking out the crib. The nigga like reaches for his bag. I said it's over. Like he about to blow that shit.
Got a few hits in. It's crazy.
I don't want to drag it on nothing like that.
Phantom should have came downstairs with him getting beat up already.
My job. But I keep realizing like the nigga out of it though, chat. Like really out of it, and he keep talking like I know him. And I don't fucking know who this kid is, bro. For me, he not no little kid. He's a grown ass man. He's like.
But see, people be watching in their channel and thinking they know people. You know, they get comfortable. They get to know you and stuff. You know, so in his head, he probably thought he did know y'all.
20 years old. For me, he keeps saying shit like, "Yo," like he knew.
Oh, Kai rocked it off.
Me, but I knew nothing about him. I swear to God. So I'm like, dog, like. At one point, I started realizing, like, you know what? This is...
Bro, that's my greatest... That's like one of my fears, though. And that's one of the reasons why I be having PTSD sometimes, bro. Because when I go out, bro, niggas know me and I don't know niggas. Like, I don't know you, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, like, I'm already on defense. I don't know... You know what I'm saying, bro? Like, it just be mad incidents where I'm not sure, like, what are your intentions, bro. I remember, bro, I remember like a caravan full of Atlanta niggas with tats on their face and dreads pulled up to the gas station when I had the G-Wagon, right? Yo, bro, niggas ended up being like cool, like, you know what I'm saying? But I'm thinking it's smoke, like, you know what I'm saying? And then niggas act like niggas is fans, like not fan supporters, you know what I'm saying? But that's tough. Like, I'm not thinking, you know what I'm saying? I'm not thinking y'all niggas watch YouTube. Like, I'm already on go.
It's bigger than me, bro. This is like some other shit, bro.
That shit is tough, bro. That's one thing about like fame. It's like, bro, y'all niggas.
I'm good. Feel me? I see KC in the cut. KC like, I don't know who the fuck that nigga is. Like, you feel me? Whatever. He stays like trying to like at the gate. I don't know.
I got a big ass hood fan base. I'm not gonna lie. Hood niggas be fucking with me
and not trying to leave. And I don't know how to force him to leave without, you know what I'm saying? Like. Without, yeah. So,
he would have to get a leg shot.
I'm not gonna lie.
GTA.
I didn't want to call the police on him because I don't know what the fuck, bro. I don't know. Like, I didn't want to put him in jail, bro. I don't know. The nigga start walking away, right? He starts walking down the hill, bro. He got this. I had to empty the bag. I threw all his shit out, like trying to see, like, you feel me? I had grabbed the bag by the time he had reached for it, but he ain't had nothing on it. He had no chop or nothing. It was just like. Where in his right mind did it make sense to walk through a nigga whole crib, bro, go downstairs and try to give niggas juice like niggas, hey, bro, you know what I'm saying? And just start punching niggas. You feel me? Like, what the fuck going on, bro? Like,
nigga said start punching.
Wasn't there, bro.
You sure that nigga wasn't DoorDash?
Nah, Casey got his hit in, you know what I'm saying? But You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to worry. Anyway, guess what he does the same day? We have to go leave. We had an A&P
Okay, Kai got busy then.
That happened at 8:30 in the morning, as I said. He comes back at 11 p.m., bro. 11 p.m. Trying to get back in the crib. By that time, we had to, call one of the security guards and put him there. You feel me? For the night, because we don't know who this person is. This is a big security concern. You feel me? The nigga
I was just about to ask, where is security at this point?
Hops out the V. I ain't gonna lie, shot the cut, you know what I'm saying? W security guard. The nigga hops out the car, cause he says, get back in the car, gang. Stop it, bro. We don't want to do no corny shit. We don't want to take nobody, you feel me? Come on. That's not up to us. Feel me? Just chill. He gets back in the car. He said he wants his shoes. I'm like, that's what, they was told to me. He wants his shoes. I forgot. We beat him so bad, we rocked him out his shoes. I forgot.
Yo.
Nigga really left for it. No
nigga got no shoes.
No nothing. He doesn't have his shoes back. He goes down, after he leaves whatever, I guess he goes down to like the neighbors and shit. He tricks the neighbors. He tells the neighbors that we bros, do y'all know what the definition of parasocial is? I know not everybody on that, but yeah. He goes to the neighbors. He tells them that we're friends and we just had an argument and whatever the case may be. The neighbors, bro. The fucking neighbors. Shout out I love the neighbors. I fuck with them, yo. I didn't know them, but I fuck with them. They get this nigga, they give him a job. They give him a job. They drove him to another location and got him a job on the spot, bro. On the spot, D.
A job?
The nigga that owns the place where he got the job from calls the neighbor and says, I'm not gonna lie, he's not okay in the head. You feel me? Something that's going on with bro, and he needs help. You know what I'm saying? Which I agree, he definitely need help.
A parasocial?
I go to the neighbor house just to follow up, because I didn't even know.
Parasocial relationships are one-sided relationships where one person extends emotional energy, interest, and time, and the other party, the persona, is completely unaware of others' existence. I didn't understand nothing of that. I'm confused. Okay.
He went to the neighbor house. I had just seen the neighbor outside and I wanted to just talk to them. From regular fandom shit. I be on some dad shit sometimes. I be on some neighborhood hero shit. So as I'm chopping it up with the neighbors, yo, yeah, you guys beat up your friend. What? We beat up who? Our friend. What the fuck? No, none of that. He damn near tricked the neighbor. Told him that he's finna you know what I'm saying, we whatever the case may be, all this other shit. Shit was insane, bro. And then ever since that moment, he was like, nah. It's a different kind of vibe now. We got to get 24/7 security, respectfully, bro. We got to give 24/7 security. So now, chat, sure. We got 24/7 security in the A&P house. You know what I'm saying? Because that shit cannot happen again. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Respectfully.
Y'all niggas getting too much money for all that, bro.
Oh, y'all want the proof? All right. Let me try to get y'all this proof. This shit.
Because y'all, if not, y'all going to end up having a body a nigga like that.
No, so I'm gonna go ahead and unmute TTS and shit like that.
Wait,
hold on. I don't want to show too much because there might be TOS on Twitch. You feel me? But let me show you the chair, the Montgomery special. Hold on. I know you see this, right? You see me with the chair right there? That's me with the blue. I had the Knicks shorts. You see me with the chair, bro. I no cap in my rap, bro. No cap in my rap. I don't know why niggas is saying cap. I never ever been that type of nigga to lie. Come on.
Yeah, I don't think he lied.
Look, bro.
Bro, that nigga clearly has
the best enunciator when it comes to words, but look. Show you again. Focus up. You see
nigga has a chair. Bro. And that looks like Kyle right there in his drawers.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me tell you how he got in the first place. That's what I fucked up at. Yeah, I don't want to show too much because it's TOS, but look.
God damn, why does it keep doing that,
it's all legal. Ha. You know what I'm saying? The way he got in, if you see the image again, there was a person that was there, the big bro. That's Big. Shout out to Big. He had told Big he was DoorDash. He was like, oh yeah, I'm DoorDash. And he said it was for Phantom. This nigga tried to You know what I'm saying? DoorDash, I need a sponsor by.
Nigga, niggas in their heads probably like, yeah, Phantom ordered some food, copy, let him in.
I don't use DoorDash. I use Uber Eats. So that's a red flag. What you mean a DoorDash for Phantom? Phantom don't use DoorDash, nigga. Phantom use Uber Eats, nigga. With a bag, trying to make it seem like he's trying to do a delivery. By that point, what DoorDash delivery driver or Uber Eats, shout out to all my hustlers out there, what food delivery drivers walk inside your house?
Yeah.
Inside your house. And just trying to search for the person who ordered that shit has never happened. Come on, bro. You wait at the door or you leave it there, y'all. Let's keep it above. You wait at the door or
yo, bro, the fact that
like
he used the nigga used Phantom's name to get in the crib is so crazy, gang. I'm not gonna lie, that's so crazy.
It never happens, bro. So now Bait looks behind him and is like, what's going on? And that's why I guess when he went downstairs, and then Casey was like, at first probably thinking it was a video. I don't know what Kai thought at the time. I'm gonna let Kai speak on it when he want to speak on it. Cause I don't know what Kai thought. All I know is I heard Kai going off, and I'm upstairs, and it's time to perform. You feel me? Word, my nigga. Like, you know what I'm saying? I didn't know what was going on. I'm sleeping, y'all. You know what I'm saying? But that was the intro. If you want me to post a clip, I ain't gonna. Let me see if I can. Cause I'm not trying to get banned on Twitch, y'all. Should I get banned? Should I just risk it or not? Should I just risk it or not, chat?
No.
I'm gonna show you the soft part. The part that like I ain't even get to hit him on his head right here. Look.
Alright, I'm gonna stop it here because I ain't trying to get in trouble. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.